When I started hiking back in 2015, I always took notes on my phone. Journaling on the trail was so good for my mental well-being. It really helped with remembering things and writing down thoughts and feelings. But writing notes on the phone was such a cold and impersonal way of remembering the miles that I'd hiked. Saving battery was really important, but my notes, they just weren't organised. I couldn't get creative. I wanted to stop taking notes on my phone and get away from that massive distraction, but I just couldn't find a notebook good enough for the job. Any notebook that I tried was just either too wide, too tall, too heavy, or it was wire bound and it would just fall apart after just a few miles. I wanted to create a strong, lightweight, waterproof, environmentally responsible notebook. So I did, and I decided to call it Thrunotes. I started Thrunotes in 2020 using the savings I had left over from the Pacific Crest Trail. After coming home early due to the pandemic, I got to work and over the coming months designed, tested and perfected Thrunotes to be the notebook that I had always wanted. Thrunotes enables our customers to record miles of memories in a more meaningful and creative way than with a phone, on a medium which will stay structurally sound on a thru hike whilst having an extremely low impact on the environment. I hope you enjoy using Thrunotes on your next thru hike. Now, all that's left to do is get off the phone and flip through the miles.